video is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and see what you want to invest into. Today we're looking at VANIG, at vanig.io, and this is the world's first integrated e-commerce and supply ecosystem powered by the blockchain. And in exciting news, the MVP Alpha has been released, and they're excited to release the Alpha build of the MVP. Scroll down and you can find the link to access it. Also, the pre-sale starts in 34 days from the time of this video. So click join the pre-sale wait list, and you can pay in Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or US dollars. Also, they've been featured on Track ICO, ICO Marks, Wiser ICO, and ICO Bench. So what is VANIG? VANIG is an e-commerce startup powered by the blockchain. The aim is to create a platform that changes the way e-commerce works. From manufacturer to consumers, they can apply the power of the blockchain to make shopping an amazing experience for everyone involved. So how does it work? The VANIG solution is simply an e-commerce platform built entirely around the blockchain. The platform uses the Hyperledger Sawtooth to build an e-commerce ecosystem that tackles key issues in e-commerce today. What are some of the problems we face in e-commerce today in using things like Shopify, eBay, dealing with middlemen? Long supply chains result in an increase in the number of hands in a product changes, resulting in an increase in the final price of the product. There's also the solution that VANIG is reducing and eliminating the middleman. VANIG can effectively reduce the number of middlemen, resulting in the product becoming cheaper for you and lucrative for the seller. There's also long payment waiting periods. If you buy a product from the seller today, the seller has to wait a long time. And to order it, to get the payment for a product, on top of it, the seller loses money in the form of fees. We can see this in other e-commerce sites. So what's the solution VANIG offers? Instant payment transfers. On the VANIG platform, the payment is transferred to the seller immediately in the form of VANIG tokens, and this enables the seller to ship your items faster and also results in fair margins for both VANIG and the seller. There's lack of information on raw materials. Right now, the information about raw materials used in the manufacture of a product is hidden in the data silos that are hard to open without formal investigation or other long-term tedious means. There's not much information on raw materials you can get in the e-commerce today. So how does VANIG solve that? Complete transparency. The VANIG platform can store detailed vital information about raw materials used in the manufacturing of a product, enabling complete transparency about how the product has been made. And then there's fractured tracking. Fractured tracking is the source of all materials used to make a product, along with a product is insanely difficult, since it's fractured and split across multiple shipping services. How does VANIG solve that? Total tracking. All the transportation records are stored in the blockchain forever. That allows you to track your orders more efficiently from manufacturing to delivery. No more wondering if you had this transaction, because it'll always be stored on the blockchain. And this introduces the VANIG Marketplace, a blockchain-powered marketplace which connects buyers and sellers directly, cutting out the middleman in the process. It's fast, efficient, and it's reliable. And what are some of the things you can do on the VANIG platform? Purchasing the VANIG tokens, cryptocurrencies, or fiat. Products are handpicked by experts and AI algorithms. Prices that are hard to resist. Information about where the products come from. Verified sellers and reviews, and rewards for every purchase in the form of tokens. And you can try the VANIG MVP here and also read the user guide if you need more guidance. Also, the VANIG technical architecture. How does it work? You can see the customer and retailer here, the manufacturer and the raw material. They have an app layer, the middleware, and the blockchain, which allows self-sovereignty, decentralized data store, dynamic consensus, and trusted execution environment. Also on the public blockchain, there's ERC20 token, Ethereum token, immutability, and the cryptocurrency payment. On the private blockchain, there's a sawtooth permission, parallel transaction execution, and proof of elapsed time. And then there's patent pending. A patent defines an integrated e-commerce and supply chain solution using blockchain technology that addresses significant present-day challenges and inefficiencies. This simplifies the e-commerce experience and eliminates intermediaries and manual processes in supply chain, shortens recall processes and timelines for manufacturers and retailers, providing real-time product visibility through to the consumer. And there's the VANIG features. There's competitive pricing. The use of VANIG token on its start to finish platform reduces selling expense, removes the middleman, cuts out shipping intermediaries, while adding value with transparency and fast access to vital transactional data. There's security. The technology is secured by the usage of industry-leading encryption. All transactions on the VANIG platform are safe and secure. There's also transparency. Gone are the days where you need to search around for the information. VANIG blockchain technology can track raw materials, seller, buyer, cost, sales, payment from the manufacturer to the consumer, or a simple seller to consumer. Data is open and visible. Also, we have the roadmap where VANIG just started as a concept in March 2017 and where it hopes to be in June 2024. On board with 100,000 sellers, followed by the rest of the world subsequent rollouts: US, UK, Germany, France, South Korea, Canada, Russia, Brazil, and Japan. And it's also been shown in the media: Yahoo, Corn Speaker, New York Business Journal, Market Watch, Market Insiders, and the token sale. And get some information. The private sale is now open and ends on the 22nd of July. And we can see the different sales stages: the pre-sale, the sale stage 1, the 7th of August 2018, sale stage 2, 17th of August 2018, 10 days, sale stage 3, 27th of August, 10 days, sale stage 4, 6th of September, 10 days, sale stage 5, 16th of September, 10 days, and we have the token symbol, VANIG, the token sale start, as it started the 23rd of July 2018, token sale end, the 25th of September 2018, the amount of tokens to be sold, the total private sale at 2 million, the token pre-sale at 6 million, the token main sale at 12 million, the soft cap is set at 2 million, we have the hard cap set at 20 million, and the accepted currencies are Ethereum, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and US dollars, and the minimum purchase limit is 0.1 Ethereum. So we have the token distribution of 63% open market, 15% team tokens, 12% VANIG rewards and incentives, 5% referral and bounty programs, 3% advisors and partners, and 2% legal. Also, we have the operating budget of 30% devs and ops, 20% admin and operation, 10% research, 30% marketing and sales, and 10% legal and advisory. We have token velocity and demand. We have the dual token, provides stable crypto-economic shopping experience for consumers, and the token burn. All tokens that are not sold during the token sale will be burned in a publicly verifiable way. We have the VANIG Rewards program, which stores a VANIG commission for sending them on your way, and VANIG shares commission as you cash back in VANIG tokens. And the token lockdown period, the team advisor and legal has a duration of the lockup period. We also have the ICO slot, track ICO at 5.0, and ICO Guru. So these are some of their partners. And you can also meet the team here, see some of their experience, and connect with them on LinkedIn, as well as the advisors and the development team. You can also see the support team at Community Manager, at Token Get Turnkey Solution, and the Blockchain Mob. And read some of their blog posts to learn more about VANIG. You can see their code also on GitHub, and read their documents, the white paper, the one-pager, the business model, the pitch deck, the token sale, the terms of service, and the privacy policy, and read some of their frequently asked questions. Also, if you want to stay up to date with the latest news, you can put your full name and email here and click subscribe. Thank you for watching this review on VANIG.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.